This OXK Optics 12x56 Monocular delivers strong magnification with a pleasantly wide viewing angle, making it well suited for bird watching, hiking, and general nature observation. The oversized eyepiece and large objective lens pull in plenty of light, so distant subjects appear bright and easy to see even as daylight starts to fade. Its combination of a quality Bec4 prism and fully multi-coated optics produces crisp, high-contrast images with accurate color that stay comfortable to view for extended periods. The included smartphone adapter and adjustable tripod make it straightforward to capture steady photos and video through the monocular without a lot of fiddling. Build quality feels solid, and the compact handheld design in forest green is easy to carry while still feeling robust enough for regular outdoor use. A padded carrying case and thoughtful accessories round out the package, making this a practical choice for anyone who wants a single, versatile monocular for travel and outdoor activities.